We are going to review top 5 best rolling trimmers. Let's get started. List number 1. FISKARS Precision Rotary Bypass Trimmer. Stand from your competitors and deliver exemplary results using this paper trimmer. FISKARS Precision is an ideal rotary bypass trimmer that works best for anyone looking for a good medium volume rolling paper trimmer. This professional series trimmer is perfect for both home and office use. One of the standout features with this unit is the unique dual rail system that ensures precise cut even for thick materials. Thanks to the added versatility, this unit will also work perfectly for DIY projects where you'll need to cut thick materials. The machine comes equipped with a rotary blade that stays sharp for years. This means you'll not have to worry about replacing it. It also has an inbuilt smudge guard that ensures straight, accurate cuts. List number 2. DAHLE Heavy Duty Rotary Paper Trimmer. With its heavy-duty, self-sharpening blade, coupled with precision-printed measuring grade and scale, DAHLE Paper Trimmer makes an at-home or office solution. With it, making flyers, invitations, memos, and handouts is now easy. For starters, this heavy-duty rotary trimmer has a locking rail mechanism and an impressive cutting capacity. Unlike the mediocre products, this unit cuts up to 36 sheets at the same time. It features a solid metal base that is calibrated with an easily visible measuring scale and alignment grid for common-sized objects. As if this is not enough, this unit comes with a magnetic paper guide, which is useful especially when making repetitive cuts. List number 3. DAHLE 552 Professional Rotary Trimmer. The DAHLE 552 Rotary Trimmer is a versatile professional paper cutter engineered to ensure fast and precise cutting. This unit boasts of a 20 cut length, which is decent to handle various applications. The unit features a solid cutting board and a rotary mechanism, which not only simplifies the process but also enhances your precision. As expected from a high-end machine, this unit boasts of a self-sharpening blade that is capable of cutting in both directions. The heavy-duty blade slices through papers and other materials effortlessly and handles a decent capacity. This will allow you to cut up to 30 paper sheets at a go. More importantly, the blade requires no maintenance and lasts for a lifetime. List number 4. FISKARS 154,470-1002 LED SURECUT Rotary Paper Trimmer. FISKARS 154,470-1002 LED SURECUT Rotary Trimmer is another lovely trimmer designed to make trimming your photos, cards, and regular papers easy. The standout feature that makes this unit stand out is the LED guideline that enhances your precision. Unlike other models, this unit illuminates the cutting line, enabling you to get precise measurements easily. With it, getting straight lines is not a problem. Besides the illuminated guide, this unit also comes with a solid board that has a permanent ruler and angle measurement indicated. This makes it easy to make multiple cuts on different materials including chipboards and other thick sheets. List number 5. DAHLE 507 Personal Rolling Trimmer. A heavy-duty rolling trimmer is great, however, at times you may need to make a few posters, flyers, or invitation cards. While a heavy-duty trimmer may help you to do this faster, a personal rolling trimmer is a perfect pick since it will also enable you to accomplish the work done. Also, it does so without costing too much space. The DAHLE 507 is the best rolling trimmer for people looking for a model to handle simple everyday needs or occasional tasks such as making wedding/birthday invitational cards. Don't mistake the simple design for weakness. Just because the unit isn't built to handle heavy-duty applications doesn't mean in any way that it sacrifices its performance.